In this video, I'm going to teach you how to uppercut in Peroxide Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to perform an uppercut in Peroxide Mobile, what you have to do is perform a dash or a flash step into a heavy attack. So the heavy attack or the critical hit is this icon here at the bottom. So you have the usual attack and then you have the heavy one, which is this one that I'm hovering over. When you perform this, as long as you connect this attack at the end of a dash, you will be able to perform an uppercut. Now, for some reason, it seems like I cannot use the dash on my character on mobile. Still, I'm going to show you what the uppercut looks like. So all that you have to do is perform a dash, and at the end of your dash, as soon as you are about to connect with an opponent and you are in range to attack them, you just press the heavy attack or the critical like I showed you. As long as you perform the dash into the heavy attack, you will perform the uppercut. So just go into battle and you will be able to get this done. As soon as you dash towards the opponent and you finish it off with the heavy attack, you will be able to connect and attack them. So just walk towards them, do a dash, and then perform the heavy attack at the end, and you will be able to get this done. You will be able to perform it by pressing the dash into the heavy attack, and this can be done on mobile, PC, and so on. If you are on PC, you just have to press Q into the button to do the heavy attack, which should be B by default, and once again, you will also do the uppercut as long as the attack connects and hits an opponent. It should work flawlessly, but for some reason, you might not be able to dash. Some people have said that if you have the cat ears equipped, you will not be able to dash, so make sure to unequip those if you have them on your character. And if you are having trouble doing it on mobile, it could be a bug, because a lot of people like me are unable to dash. I hope I was able to help you on how to uppercut in Peroxide Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.